I want to talk to you quickly about things to look out for, or what I call potential VA loan scams. Okay, so being in the VA loan industry, there are a lot of things that we see. I personally have a VA loan. So there's a lot of things that we see, and we want to let you guys know about them, or things that you should be looking out for. Number one, if somebody sends you a mailer, you get something in the mail that's advertising for you to give them a call to refinance or something like that. Sure, if you're in the market to refinance, you can make that phone call. But you have to look out and make sure that what's being advertised on that piece of paper is actually what they are offering. Sometimes companies send mailers simply to get you to call them, and what they are offering on paper is not really what is being offered actually by the company. Some things to look out for. So I had a picture sent to me just today with a client. They said, "Hey, did you send me this?" And I said, "No, we didn't send that to you." What companies do is they will send you a letter that says attention or in reference to, and it will have your current lender's name. However, it is not from your current lender. If you look at the bottom of the page, it will tell you that it's actually from a different lender calling you about the loan that you have with another lender. So that's not actually from the current lender that you have. It appears that it's from your current lender, but it's not actually from the lender that you have, and they're just trying to generate a phone call from you so they can talk to you about refinancing. Number two, there are companies who have actually gotten in a lot of trouble for this. There are some companies that will pretend that they actually work for the VA. Understand that no lender works for the VA. Even if it's a VA loan, they do not work for the Veterans Administration. The loans that they provide are backed by the VA, but they don't work for the VA. You can be particularly vulnerable to this if you are in the phase of applying for VA benefits, or some to that as you're transitioning from service or trying to upgrade your benefits. You may get a letter and people might tell you, "Hey, I'm from the VA," and you're thinking that they are from the VA and they're calling to help you about your claim, but they're really calling to talk to you about a mortgage loan or trying to get you to refinance your home or pay lots of fees in order for them to refinance your home. All right, my third point, never ever pay an upfront fee for a quote. Never pay an upfront fee to receive a quote on a VA loan. It's not that hard to do, and there's no need for you to pay fees. In fact, you shouldn't be paying any fees until you actually close on your loan, if you choose to do so with your lender. Now, at Align Mortgage of Hawaii, we don't do any lender fees. We don't do any credit report fees on our VA loans. You don't pay any origination fees at all unless you choose to pay points to get your rate down to a lower level. But that is your choice and one of the opportunities that we offer you. We don't have any origination fees, any credit report fees, any underwriting fees, no origination fees on any of our VA loans. But other companies may, and you need to be aware of those fees and look out for those fees when you're refinancing. Okay, my final point. Just because a company has the word veteran or VA in the name of the company means absolutely nothing. I could start a company and name it whatever I want to name it. But just because they have veteran or VA in the name of their company should mean absolutely nothing to you. I encourage you, if you're looking for a refinance, to shop that rate and compare to rates that you could get in other situations. I have clients that come to me and say, "Hey, this company offered me a better rate." And I say, "You know what? Today, with today's rate, I can't beat that, so you should probably take that deal." And guess what? It's about getting you the best deal possible. If you want to reach out to me directly and see how we can help you at Align Mortgage of Hawaii, you can contact me. My cell phone number in the contacts of this video will tell you how to reach out to me, but you certainly can do that. As I've told you, I'm licensed in Virginia, California, Colorado, Texas, and Hawaii. So if you're in any of those states, you can reach out to us. We have extremely competitive rates, and we'd be happy to service you and your family if you would give us the honor of doing so. That's it for today. See you next time on Major Money Matters.